Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and they needed distress on this multicolored object. And here's his distress look and here's his shadow or his star. This is relatively easy. It's just a little bit of thinking. So we're gonna Control D and make a copy. And first of all, I'm using his file, so you need to change this to 0, 0. So when you make a duplicate, it stays right on top. And it did it again. Let's see, maybe I didn't change it. I had my numbers locked, unlocked, 0, 0. I keep mine like that for this reason. Control D and then it's right on top. So when I nudge it up, it'll be right there. Then take this item and it's all grouped together evidently because you have no weld capability. So select it and go to Object and Group and Ungroup. Then your weld comes up and make an outline. And this multiple deal is going to make it solid, which is fine. Now I'm going to nudge it over and I'm going to select it all and I'm going to go to Intersect. And what that did, that made an intersection of the star, and then I can just move it over. And now it's on top of that star without anything around it. And if you take our yellow box trick, fill it in with yellow, go to Object, Order, Back a Page, you can see there's no distress beyond the star. It's all in the star. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for